Kicking it back to an old school country song, can't you picture yourself on a front porch swing, enjoying your morning coffee and checking out the views? This house is dreamy. As you notice as you walk into the home, their beautiful curb appeal is something worth mentioning. The hardwood floors flow throughout as we come into the high ceilings as well as something worth mentioning. The bright windows bring in lots of natural lighting that flows right into this kitchen. And check out how much space there is in here. It is going to be one of those homes that you're going to be hosting all of your family dinners in, and there's tons of room for activity. To add a little bit more, you have an eat-in kitchen and a beautiful gas fireplace that flows you right into your back mudroom. Three bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and don't forget you have main level laundry. This large detached garage for all of you hobbyists, and of course this beautiful backyard. Maybe you have animals, a family, whatever that is, you're about to make a boatload of memories here. As you walk into the home, you will notice the large detached garage and the front porch. But thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this home tour. If you're looking for more awesome home tours just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're looking for your own private tour, call the number above. We'd be more than happy to help with that. We'll catch you on the next tour.